Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to back up your Epic Games. First, open the folder where your Epic Games are installed. By default, this is usually on your C drive under Program Files, then Epic Games. Inside, you will see a folder for each game you have installed. Choose the game you want to back up. Copy the entire game folder. Paste it into a safe location, like another drive or an external hard disk. This copy is your backup. Now, let's see how to restore it. Start the Epic Games launcher and go to your library. Click Install on the game you want to restore. When the install window opens, select the same drive and folder where you plan to put the backup. Let it start the install for a few seconds, then pause it. Close the launcher. Go back to the install folder. Delete the small files that were created. Then move or paste your backup folder into this location. Make sure the folder name matches the original one exactly. Reopen the Epic Games launcher. Go back to your library. Resume the install. The launcher will now verify the existing files instead of downloading the whole game. That is all you need to back up and restore your Epic Games. Thanks for watching.